these armies. And there are the army fort.
Oh, there's an army fort. And there is, what else is there? There's a helicopter.
And there are a bunch
Army.
of sport trucks. So my brother loves golf spots. So we can buy it for him.
Okay, can you open it now?
Yeah.
Should we say hi to everybody?
Hi.
So let's see, what do we have here?
There are armies and stuff. Okay.
The army truck, the tanker, we have the bike, we have the helicopter, and we have the fort. So Shivi, what do we have here? Oh, the soldiers fell down. Come on, put the soldiers in. There are other tankers coming.
To the rescue.
Oh, the helicopter is coming to the rescue. He's going to fire down on all the others. And what else do we have there? The guns in the tanker?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
And who's coming on the bike? Oh, see, he's coming on the bike. And Shivom is coming with the helicopter. Yay! Come on! And Taisha's army man is on the bike, going at full speed. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Yes. Me too.
Oh, two of them are going to sit together. And what does he have? See, he has got all bombs and grenades and everything on his. Oh, look at that. They are fully loaded with bombs, grenades, night lamps.
And so is this one.
And so is this one.
All are.
Oh.
This is so fun. And these can really move and flex. You change your angles, your directions, where to shoot.
Oh, so as per the enemies, you have to shoot.
And here we got a little.
The walkie-talkie? The radio? Okay, Shivi, say bye. Say bye.